अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम फुरकान है। Starting a new vlog, a new channel on YouTube. I live in Houston and I'm gonna be vlogging mostly about food, but also just general life as well. And we are going today for Korean barbecue at Cure because it's our son's 10th birthday और उसने कहा कि मुझे कोरियन बारबेक्यू खाना है, so we are going there. We're gonna do a bit of coverage and आपको बताएंगे कैसा उसका खाना है, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है. It's probably the 5th time or the 4th time that we're going there, so we do go there often and we do like it a lot. Alright, so I'll see you when I get there.
1 hour later.
ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो हम पहुंच गए हैं क्योर. ये जो है जस्ट नॉर्थ ऑफ I-10. सो यू टेक द गैसनर एग्जिट एंड टेक लेफ्ट एंड यू विल बी हियर इन अबाउट 2 miles I believe. So I'll show you what's inside.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
So this is the menu and it's a buffet. So buffet in the sense that you don't go out, you don't go to the buffet trays and get there, you just order them. And this is more like all you can eat. Yeah, all you can eat here, you can have anything that you want. There are appetizers, there's soup, seafood, beef. My favorite is the beef items. And I'll show you in the video what I like and how's everything and how it looks after cooking and how it looks before you cook it. Alright, let's go ahead and find it out. तो ये जो है कुछ चीज़ें स्टार्टर में आती हैं. I think that's the seafood. I think that's the fish cake. Yeah, that's the fish cake. And what's that? Is that mashed potatoes, right? Yeah, वो आलू है. And this is kimchi, some salad. And this is how you start with. And then you also can order some of the appetizers to begin with. Excuse me. हम लोगों ने shrimp tempura order किया है for the appetizers, and the miso soup is really good as well. तो ये हमारा appetizer आ गया है. That's the kimchi soup, and I'll show you what's inside. It's some vegetables. So basically, it tastes similar to what this is, and it's kind of spicy, tikha hai, khatta hai, and this also has a similar taste. It has vegetables inside. It's called kimchi soup. I love it. My wife and my kids don't, but I always order it. And we also ordered some shrimp tempura. We only got 4, but we can get as many as you like, as long as you don't waste it. Oh, and yes, it also has tofu inside. So इसमें tofu भी है, बाकी सब्जियां हैं. It's pretty good. ये हमारा सामान आ गया है. इसको हम पकाएंगे, खुद ही खाएंगे. These are the wings. हमने 2 किस्म के wings ऑर्डर किए हैं. And those are the thinly sliced ribeyes. And that's I believe that's the chuck tender and the chuck. and that's the sliced brisket, and those are the cubes. I think those are the tender cubes, and those are, I think, ये क्या था?
These are the sirloin cubes and those are the chuck.
Alright, yeah, like my wife said. So that's the stuff that we got. We're gonna start cooking this. That's the grill. That's where we cook. Basically grill, not really cook. Don't have to cook it too much, otherwise it just gets chewy. Actually, 3 ribeye बोले थे, so he brought 2, and I'm just going to show you that this is all that it needs to be cooked. This is good, and you don't need to cook this much. This is tender, and it just falls off easily. I mean, there is no bone to fall off, लेकिन ये बिल्कुल अच्छे से टूट जाता है, बिल्कुल नरम खा सकते हैं. I just use my hands. No need for fork or anything, knife, nothing. Everything is good. So far the experience has been excellent. I love Cure. हम आते रहते हैं यहाँ पे, and there is like nothing to complain. It's good. The meat quality is good. The food is good. The ambience is alright, and the taste is pretty good as well. The seasoning and everything. So now we're gonna start with these cubes, and I'm just gonna put it all. Spread it apart a bit, and it should be ready in about 2 or 3 minutes. It doesn't take too long to cook. The quality of meat is good. It doesn't take too long. The cuts are pretty good. This is, I think, is a tenderloin. Yeah, it's a sirloin, which it doesn't take too long. It doesn't take too long to cook. अच्छा, अब जो है ना मेरे बेटे से पूछते हैं, रायत, you're turning 10 in about 2 days, and we are celebrating your birthday here. How do you like it so far? I know we have been here a couple of times and you have had it before, but how is your experience today? आपको क्या अच्छा लग रहा है? आपको सबसे अच्छी चीज़ क्या लगी? ये अभी आप क्या खा रहे हो?
I just finished my ribeye. About to start these sirloin cubes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm about to start eating that, and yeah.
Do you like it?
I like the experience so far. So yeah, I'm gonna taste it now.
Okay. How is it?
It's good.
So do you like the meat bits or do you like the fatty bits? I know I like the fatty bits. You just like the meaty bits, right?
I like the fat ones too, but like the meat's also good. Yeah.
Enjoying our food here, and we're doing some prawns right now. तो ये ऐसे कच्चे आते हैं, and you just have to make sure that you cook them nicely. The idea is that once all this translucency that you see here on the skin, that goes away. Once it all becomes opaque, that's when you know that prawns are cooked. and they will start to change color as well. Sorry, I keep saying prawns, old habits die hard, but the shrimp, yes. And we have also got sirloin steak. So after these prawns, we're gonna go with that. But I think it's gonna taste similar to what the ribeye steak was, except for of course the cut, which this is sirloin and that was ribeye. But the seasoning, of course, looks the same. But yeah, I think the meat, the cut is different. Okay guys, क्योंकि मेरा पहला वो व्लॉग है, तो मुझे ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस नहीं है कैसे बनाना है, तो आइसक्रीम आई और मैं उसकी वीडियो बनाना भी भूल गया. She likes the green one, which is the honeydew flavor, and the other flavor is vanilla. Right, which flavor do you like?
I got vanilla.
Alright, okay. तो गाइस हम लोग घर पहुंच गए हैं और अभी बेगम ने जो है मुझे याद दिलाया है कि आप अपनी ACV की जो कैप्सूल्स हैं वो पी लें. तो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. दिस इज़ अ गुड थिंग, यू शुड हैव इट एज वेल. एप्पल साइडर विनेगर. आई यूज्ड टू हैव एप्पल साइडर विनेगर का मैं लेमनेड बना के पीता था, बट नाउ हियर इन द US you have this available, which is a much more convenient form of taking the ACV. So it helps with regulating your blood sugar level, and just generally when you have had a heavy food, just have it before, like maybe 1 hour before you have your food. You can take it with your food or just right after you have had your meal. This helps you regulate your blood sugar levels, especially after you have had a hearty meal. So I would suggest you guys do that as well, and I'm gonna go ahead and have my apple cider vinegar.